Have you ever thought about what skills you need to be successful in life? I don't mean what you want to do, although that is important, but what skills do you need to develop that will help you be successful no matter what direction you follow? This is what Frederick County businesses say.
So what we're looking for when people come out of high school, if they're coming right into the workforce, is job-ready skills.
So we look for many different characteristics, but for the most part we look for a student that is dedicated, that has good work ethic, is mature, can work in a team, is ready to work with adults that are working towards a goal, and especially students that have that interest in technology or science and believe that they want to go that route.
So it's all about communication with us. So for new people coming in, really the first thing we look for is how do you communicate? How do you work in a team environment? That's what we need more than anything. People who want to come in, work together, and learn together.
Your soft skills are more important because your hard skills will come as training, as you are trained in the laboratory. So you may not have an idea what you're exactly going to be doing in the laboratory, but if you come in and you are a go-getter and you want to learn, you will learn those hard skills. So just to be a team player and understand that failure is going to happen, and to pick yourself back up and get back on the horse and figure out the problem and learn from it, and learn if there is failure.
Employers continually tell us that our students need to understand how to problem solve, work as a team, and communicate both written and orally. The Foundations of Technology course, commonly referred to as FOT, will help you to develop those skills. You may be saying to yourself, I use technology every day. I don't think I need another computer class.
Sometimes when students see on their schedule Foundations of Technology, and parents as well, sometimes they think it's going to be a computer class. And in reality, technology is far more than computers.
A misperception of FOT is that it is a computer class. Technology is evident in all aspects of our lives, from early inventions to innovations of today. Students use project-based learning following the design process to explore technology from a historical perspective, learn how to solve real-world problems, and begin to understand how technology impacts the designed world.
I think a lot of people go in there with a misconception of it's just all technology, and why do I have to take this? But really what we want, it's really teaching project-based learning and 21st century skills that employers are looking for.
How will this class help you?
We started out learning the basics of the engineering design process, and we did PowerPoints, and at first we were all kind of like, well, this isn't really stuff that we're going to be using in the real world. But then we started doing projects, and that's when we actually were able to apply it, and that was really cool because you take this thing that you learned and you're like, can I use this? And then you do, and that was cool.
Being an FOT really helps with understanding how technology works and understanding how we can use it to make our jobs more efficient. Instead of writing on paper, we can type it. Everyone can work the same way, work through the same processes, and it makes life easier.
So what exactly is Foundations of Technology, and what will you learn? The Foundations of Technology course focuses on the development of knowledge and skills regarding many aspects of technology.
So students that take FOT, we really want them to learn how to apply the skills and the knowledge that they learn in their science, technology, engineering, and math classes.
Foundation Technology is a project-based learning class where they do a lot of hands-on activities. We give them a design brief, a design challenge where they are able to come up with their own or create their own solution to a problem.
To me, it's really the overall knowledge, not so much of how everything works in full details, but maybe we look at things differently and we start to wonder exactly what is it that makes it tick, what is it that makes it run, what are the various components or pieces that each depend upon, and if we took something away, what would be the impact?
With each project, students use the engineering journal to document their process. This contributes to understanding the systematic process needed as students work through a problem. Each project focuses on a real-world problem that requires students to incorporate applications of science, mathematics, and technological literacy in authentic situations. This helps students hone their problem-solving skills and their ability to work as a team as they work through the process to their given problem. In Unit 1, the history of technology as well as the role of research and development is explored and presented through a variety of technology applications, survey tools, and a student-made commercial. Technology inventions and innovations are discovered in Unit 2 as students learn about the design process. In the crane strain project, students use the Pythagorean theorem and efficiency calculations to ensure their crane will lift the required load. Students learn to analyze data in an M&M activity and apply the design process and principles as they work through projects ranging from building a catapult to using hydraulics to build a robotic arm. Unit 3 explores the designed world and explores energy and power with a windmill project. Throughout the unit, students discover the world of manufacturing, construction, agriculture, and transportation with a focus on developing communication skills where students create their own public service announcement. During the final unit, students will have the opportunity to explore the core technologies through the application of simple machines in a Rube Goldberg project, reverse engineering, and an electronics unit. Your teacher will help guide you through the process as you strengthen your ability to apply knowledge, work well in teams, and solve real-world problems. These skills will help you for the rest of your life.